Meet the Mercedes-AMG GT-XX, the first fully electric AMG hypercar, and it's rewriting everything we know about performance EVs. This thing is so fast, it might just make you sick. Unveiled in Stuttgart, the GT-XX is a stunning mix of racing aggression and futuristic design. Tall haunches, 3D lighting, and that aggressive stance scream performance. But under the hood is something entirely new. This monster uses axial flux motors developed by UK-based YAS8, smaller, lighter, and 3x denser than traditional EV motors. It packs over 1,000 horsepower, possibly up to 1,341 horsepower with a rumored quad motor setup. 0 to 60? Just 2 seconds. Top speed? A blistering 225 miles per hour. Mercedes is also working on an 850 kilowatts charger with Alpatronic. That means 250 miles of range in just 5 minutes. Forget range anxiety, this tech might redefine how we charge electric cars. Inside, AMG brings in a new era with its panoramic vision HUD, race-inspired cockpit, and next-gen tech. It's designed not just to dominate tracks, but to feel at home in your garage. The GT-XX launches in late 2026. Built on the AMG.EA platform, it's aimed at rivals like the Taycan Turbo GT, Rimac Nevera, and the Lucid Sapphire. And yes, an AMG M model is coming. Think M3. But electric. This is the most emotional electric car ever built, says AMG. And from what we've seen, we believe it. Would you trade your V8 for this electric beast? Comment below, AMG V8 or AMG EV, which would you choose? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to DR's Automobile for the wildest new rides.